Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance wallet address on your PC. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section, typically found in the top navigation bar. From there, you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit and find its unique address. This process ensures you receive funds correctly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Binance website. Enter your registered email or phone number and your password to log in. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once successfully logged in, look for the wallet option, usually in the top right corner, and select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. On the Fiat and Spot page, you'll see a list of your assets. Use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example, Bitcoin. Next to your chosen asset, click the Deposit button. It's crucial to select the correct network for your transaction, as sending funds on the wrong network can result in loss. Always double-check the network details. After selecting the network, your unique deposit address will be displayed on the screen. You'll see a copy icon next to it. Click this to accurately save the address to your clipboard. It is extremely important to double-check the copied address against the displayed one before initiating any transfer. For some cryptocurrencies, like XRP, a memo or tag is also required, so be sure to include that if applicable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.